Tired of juggling multiple systems? Spending hours dealing with inquiries? Chasing contractors? Or reconciling maintenance costs? Fixflo is the tool to make managing repairs and maintenance simple. And we connect with Alto to streamline your maintenance process. From tenants reporting repairs to managing quotes and instructing works, to even dealing with landlord charges. With Fixflo and Alto connected, everything can be managed in one system, giving you full control and peace of mind. When your tenants spot an issue, our reporting portal helps them to quickly and accurately report the repair. Detailed repair requests can be triaged, reducing back and forth with tenants and contractors, increasing first-time fixes. Not only that, but our customisable guidance and advice can help to filter out up to 20% of tenant issues. It couldn't be simpler for the tenant, as all of their contact and address details will automatically be pre-filled, allowing for an even faster maintenance request. With Fixflo, property managers can instruct contractors, manage works orders, schedule planned maintenance, and request quotes from one central hub with just a few clicks. The platform helps people work together to resolve issues and allows property managers to prioritise urgent tasks. Nothing slips through the cracks. Connecting Alto and Fixflo couldn't be simpler. With both platforms integrated, you never have to deal with repetitive data entry again. All property, occupier, landlord, and contractor information automatically syncs from Alto to Fixflo. And once an issue is closed on Fixflo, all associated maintenance costs and invoices are synced to Alto and instantly updated in the right ledger, whether an issue is costed against a landlord or the tenancy, cutting out unnecessary admin. Say goodbye to the headache of managing property maintenance and say hello to our powerful new integration with Alto. Book a demo today to see how it can streamline your property management processes and save time and money.